and in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Eclipse IDE on Ubuntu 20.04 operating system. To install Eclipse IDE on Ubuntu, first we have to download Eclipse IDE. For that we go to Eclipse official website to download the Eclipse. Then click on download button. Now you can see here get Eclipse IDE 2020-12. Now you can click on download 64. Now click on Eclipse IDE Linux 64.tar.gz for Ubuntu. Save it. Now Eclipse IDE is downloaded. Now open Ubuntu terminal by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T. Okay. Now go to the download section where I have downloaded the Eclipse IDE. Now press LS to list out all this folder containing all the files. Now you can see here Eclipse IDE Linux 64.tar.gz already available. Now we have to extract this downloaded file. For that we have to fire the command press enter. Now press ls command. Okay. Now you can see here Eclipse installer folder has already created. Now go to that folder, cd okay. So type ls command. Now we can see here Eclipse inst, which are executable files. Here you can see Eclipse inst. Now type the following command to install Eclipse dot press enter. Now you can see Eclipse installer are in progress. Now we choose Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java Developer. Since my main motive for installing Eclipse IDE is only to learn code plus advanced Java. For that I will choose Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java Developer. Remember, before installing Eclipse IDE, we must have to install Java. Okay. Since here my operating system saying that Java 11 plus virtual machine, so we have to install the Java version of 11 or greater than 11. So we will select here Java version as a 15, JRE 15. Okay. Now click on OK. Click install. This one is the folder in which Eclipse is going to be installed. Now I will click on install button to install Eclipse. Now accept all this. Okay, our installation is in progress. Wait till the installation is going to be complete. Now accept it. Remember the choice. Click accept it. Now our installation is about to complete. Okay, installation completed successfully, right? Now I will launch it. Choose the location for workers. Set it as a default. Click on launch. Okay, Java installation is already completed. Now I will close this window. Okay, I will close it. I will also close it. I will also close this one. I will also close this one. This one, this one, this one, this one. Now in the left side we can see here many options are available, but I have installed Eclipse IDE for core plus advanced Java programming. So I will change the perspective for that I will go in Windows section, perspective, open perspective, and I will choose Java. Okay, only Java options here I will do that. Okay, I will close it, close it, close it. Close it. I will show you to run one program, Java program. Now I am going to show you one Java program how to run on Eclipse IDE. For that I will go to File, New, Java Project. I will name this project as Demo first. click next, then I will click finish it. Okay, class name is first program. I will create a new class within that folder, and I will name that file again first program. I will include public static void main, then I will click on finish button. Yes, so class has already created with the name of first program, and that contains one public static void main string here. Now I will type system.out.println hello, how are you? System.out.println I am fine, and what about you? System.out.println I am fine too, thank you. I have not imported any Java library here, like import java.util.star or import java.io. Because this IDE has already inbuilt java.import java.util.star already, so no need to type here. Now I will save it, and I will press Ctrl plus F11 to run. Now you can see here, hello, how are you? I am fine, and what about you? I am fine too, thank you. This message has already printed. Now program is completed successfully. Thank you very much. If this video is useful to you, please like this video. Thank you. Chandan.